Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix microphone not working on your HUAWEI Pura 80 Ultra. So first, what we're going to do is we're going to clean our microphone port with a non-metallic tool. Because when we use something metallic, then we can only damage the port even more. And it will be equivalent of just spamming anything into the port just to clean it, and we will only damage it and we won't clean anything. So we definitely do not want to do that. Now moving on, we can test the mic and the recorder app. So let's quickly unlock the phone, and after that just open up the tools folder. So open up the folder, go to recorder, and here click on agree, and now start recording. As you guys can see, we have our microphone working. We see the wavelength moving right here. So now I'll stop talking, and as you guys can see, it wasn't moving, so that's how we know our microphone is working. But if your microphone isn't, then what you guys can do is restart the phone. So hold the power button until you see the menu pop up. After that, just click on restart, and I need to click again. So now let's click restart and touch again to restart the device. So I'll see you guys once the device is fully restarted. Now after the restart, what you guys can do as a last resort is update your software to fix any mic glitches. So let's unlock the phone and go straight to the settings. Here in the settings, we want to scroll a bit down until we see system and updates. And right here, we want to click on software update right up top. Now it will automatically check for updates. As you guys can see, I'm running the latest version of my software. But if you don't, then I recommend you guys updating it, as it is very important to do so you don't have any mic glitches or any other glitches on your device. So that'd be it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.